How to bring back the missing icon on iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, move into the settings of a device and then head over to General. Inside General, scroll all the way down and you have to click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. After that, once again tap on Reset Home Screen and then you might be good to go. If not, the next thing you want to do is go back to the previous page of settings, head over to Screen Time. Move into Content and Privacy Restrictions. Well, you have to make sure that the Content and Privacy Restrictions option is turned off. Toggle off this button if it is turned on. Enter the passcode of a device. Once it has been toggled off, you might be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.